Is your life so difficult right now? In a world filled with trials and tribulations, where the storms of life rage on, there lies a timeless truth, a beacon of hope that has endured the test of time. James 1:12 reminds us, "Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial because, having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love Him." Enduring suffering is a path not chosen but forged by the unbeatable Spirit within us. It's a testament to the strength that resides in the human heart. In the face of adversity, we find the opportunity to rise, grow, and shine. Suffering may be a bitter pill, but it can also be the motivation for greatness. As we endure, let us remember that we are never alone. Together, we can find strength in our shared humanity and the love and support we offer one another. Trials and tribulations are the container in which our character is tested and refined. Every challenge we face, every tear we shed, brings us one step closer to the crown of life promised by the Lord. Let us face our suffering with unwavering faith, knowing that beyond the storm is a sunrise waiting to break through the clouds. The new dawn is coming to your life. Believe and have hope. May this bring light and hope to your life.